The digital landscape is brimming with tools promising to streamline project management, enhance collaboration, and ultimately, deliver success. Among these, Smartsheet stands out with its familiar spreadsheet interface coupled with robust project management functionalities. However, a common question often arises for those considering adopting it. Is Smartsheet hard to learn? As a project management expert who has guided countless teams through the adoption of various platforms, I can confidently say that Smartsheet strikes a remarkable balance between power and usability. While any new tool requires an investment of time and effort to master, Smartsheet's intuitive design and readily available resources make the learning curve significantly less steep than many of its more complex counterparts. Let's delve deeper into why Smartsheet is often considered relatively easy to learn, particularly for those with basic spreadsheet familiarity, and how to navigate its features effectively. The familiar foundation, leveraging spreadsheet intuition. One of Smartsheet's greatest strengths lies in its core structure, the grid. If you've ever worked with a spreadsheet program like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, you'll find yourself immediately comfortable with Smartsheet's fundamental layout. Rows and columns form the basis for organizing information, whether it's tasks, deadlines, resources, or budgets. This familiarity significantly lowers the initial barrier to entry. Instead of grappling with entirely new concepts and interfaces, you're working within a framework you likely already understand. You can readily input data, format cells, and even use basic formulas, making the initial setup and data entry feel natural and less daunting. Intuitive interface, navigation made easy. Beyond the grid, Smartsheet's overall interface is designed with user-friendliness in mind. The menus and toolbars are logically organized, with clear labels and icons that make it easy to find the features you need. The left-hand navigation panel provides quick access to your sheets, reports, dashboards, and other key components. Unlike some project management software that can feel cluttered and overwhelming with a multitude of options, Smartsheet presents a clean and organized workspace. This intuitive design minimizes the learning curve associated with simply finding your way around the platform. Gradual feature adoption. Start simple, grow powerful. Smartsheet doesn't throw all its advanced features at you from the outset. It allows you to start with the basics, creating sheets, adding tasks, assigning owners, and setting deadlines. As your comfort level grows and your project needs become more complex, you can gradually explore its more powerful functionalities. This step-by-step approach is crucial for effective learning. You're not forced to master everything at once. Instead, you can build a solid foundation and then incrementally incorporate features like dependencies, Gantt charts, automation rules, and integrations as needed. This gradual adoption makes the learning process feel manageable and less overwhelming. Abundant learning resources. Support at your fingertips. Smartsheet recognizes that user adoption is key to its success, and they provide a wealth of resources to support your learning journey. These resources are designed to cater to various learning styles and levels of expertise. Official Smartsheet Help Center. This comprehensive knowledge base is filled with articles, tutorials, and step-by-step guides covering every aspect of the platform. Whether you have a specific question or want to explore a particular feature, the Help Center is an invaluable resource. Smartsheet Learning Center. This dedicated platform offers structured courses and learning paths designed to guide you through the fundamentals and advanced capabilities of Smartsheet. These courses often include videos, quizzes, and practical exercises to reinforce your understanding. Smartsheet Community. Connecting with other Smartsheet users can be incredibly beneficial. The Smartsheet Community Forum provides a space to ask questions, share best practices, and learn from the experiences of others. Webinars and live training. Smartsheet frequently hosts webinars and live training sessions covering various topics, from introductory overviews to deep dives into specific features. These interactive sessions offer opportunities to learn from Smartsheet experts and ask questions in real time. Templates. Smartsheet offers a vast library of pre-built templates for various project types and workflows. These templates not only save you time in setting up your sheets, but also provide practical examples of how Smartsheet can be used effectively. By exploring and adapting these templates, you can learn best practices and discover new ways to leverage the platform. Focus on practical application. learning by doing. The most effective way to learn Smartsheet is by actively using it for real projects. Start with a small, manageable project and gradually incorporate more features as you become more comfortable. This hands-on approach allows you to apply what you've learned and solidify your understanding. Don't be afraid to experiment and explore different functionalities. Smartsheet's flexibility allows for various approaches to project management, and finding what works best for your team and your specific needs is part of the learning process. Addressing potential learning hurdles. While Smartsheet is generally considered easy to learn, there are a few potential hurdles that new users might encounter. Understanding relational capabilities. Moving beyond basic spreadsheet functionality to leverage features like cross-sheet formulas, lookups, and reports requires understanding how different sheets can interact and share data. While not overly complex, this concept might take some time to grasp for those new to relational data management. Mastering automation. Smartsheet's automation features, such as alerts, reminders, and automated workflows, can significantly enhance efficiency. However, setting up complex automation rules requires careful planning and understanding of triggers and actions. Visualizing data with dashboards. Creating effective dashboards that provide insightful overviews of project progress requires understanding different widget types and how to connect them to underlying data. While Smartsheet offers a user-friendly dashboard builder, mastering data visualization principles can take some practice. Integration with other tools. While Smartsheet integrates seamlessly with many popular business applications, understanding how these integrations work and configuring them correctly might require some technical aptitude. However, these potential hurdles are not insurmountable. The abundance of learning resources mentioned earlier, coupled with a willingness to experiment, can help users overcome these challenges and unlock the full potential of Smartsheet. Smartsheet for educational standards, a powerful learning tool. For educational purposes, Smartsheet offers a unique blend of familiarity and functionality that makes it an excellent tool for teaching project management principles. Students can readily grasp the basic concepts of task management, scheduling, and resource allocation within the familiar spreadsheet interface. Furthermore, Smartsheet's more advanced features provide opportunities to explore more complex project management methodologies, such as critical path analysis, risk management, and stakeholder communication.